Welcome to my presentation. My name's Rebecca Jutner, and my future career is psychologist. Required education. Most psychologists are required to have a doctoral degree in psychology, but some areas of the field, such as industrial organizational psychology and school psychology, may only require a master's degree. Relation to education. I'm almost a junior at BYU-I. I'm majoring in psychology with a minor in photography. Currently, I'm exploring grad school options. I would love to attend BYU Provo for my graduate degree in clinical psychology. Future job descriptions and duties. Psychologists are not medical doctors, but they are important workers in the mental health field. A psychologist studies the way people feel and think, as well as how thoughts and feelings change the way people act. When psychologists work with patients directly to help them feel better, they practice clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists diagnose mental health disorders and provide treatment in the form of therapy. A clinical psychologist might work with individuals, families, groups, or organizations. They may see people who are struggling to work through difficult circumstances, trying to overcome bad habits or patterns in their lives, recovering from a brain injury, or suffering from mental illness such as depression. Clinical psychologists are skilled assessors. Through talking to their patients, they can 1. Identify which thoughts or feelings are causing the problems in their patient's life, 2. Help their patient acknowledge what emotional strengths they bring to face those problems, and 3. Make plans for treatment. Why psychology? My reason for wanting to do psychology are among the top reasons listed in Chapter 13 for why people pursued a BA in psychology. 1. I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. 2. I want to become a professional psychologist. I've always had a very strong interest in the subject of psychology. I want to be a psychologist and major in psychology because I've experienced and witnessed the suffering of people with mental illnesses. I want to have a career where I can help individuals understand themselves better and ease their suffering through proper treatment.